Hey everyone, I'm Pratham from APILayer and today I'm super excited to show you new developer documentation suite of APILayer. If you're building applications or product using APILayer multiple APIs, you don't need to switch context anymore because all the developer documentation of different APIs now sit on one single page which you will find at docs.apilayer.com. If you come to this page, you will find multiple developer documentations of different APIs. Let's say if I click on IP stack, it will take me to that particular documentation. And you see it is now improved. It is not a single page docs anymore, which will definitely improve your navigation experience while building with IP stack or some other APIs. On the left hand side, you will definitely see some crucial pages which are like quick start guide, getting started, which will definitely help you get yourself onboarded across multiple APIs under API layer portfolio. The most important section here is of course API endpoints, where you will find multiple endpoints under a particular API. Let's say here on IP stack, of course, we have requester IP lookup where you can call or convert your IP to location. For example, here if I enter my API key and send an API request, you will see the response coming over here, which is a very small built-in playground right here in the doc. So you don't need to make any sort of curl request or some sort of testing tools in order to get the API call done. Of course, each page has all the necessary information about the particular endpoint. For example, here this is a requester IP lookup endpoint. You will find what is the right URL. Under that, you will find all the necessary descriptions. And then you will find all the request parameters, which are either optional or required, and how to obtain or what are the meaning of those parameters. Under that, of course, you will find response in a well structured JSON manner, which will easily help you find the necessary data points. Let's say you are building some application on top of two or more than two APIs. You don't need to go somewhere else. You can directly make use of this drop down and find the necessary docs. One of the best thing about this documentation is suite is global search. I'm a developer, I know this is a painful thing. Now you don't need to look up to any other resources. You can find all the necessary key details right here. You just need to hit Command K, or you can click on this search icon and search for any necessary details you are looking for. For example, proxy, and it will show me all the pages under each components that this proxy keywords has appeared, and you can definitely find the rightful content for you. And being a developer, of course, you will definitely love themes here. So you can switch between light or dark theme, and this looks perfectly beautiful. Yes, with that being said, this is the new unified documentation of API layer where you will find docs for each endpoint which falls under our portfolio. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach me out. Thanks. Bye.